Hello students, today we are going to see the topic steps in value analysis. I am Professor K. Kalidas to handle the session for you. So again, what is meant by a value? So value is the ratio of utility to the cost. So here value analysis is the cost reduction technique which critically investigates and analyzes the different aspects of material purchase, design and production of every part of the product. So the difference between your value engineering and the value analysis is dealt already. So value engineering is the reduction of cost during the design stage itself. So we are going to analyze what is going to happen and we are going to modify our design at the premature stage itself. Value analysis, now the product is designed and the setup is ready, the resources are ready. Now, is there any possibility to reduce the cost? So this is the value analysis. So again, it's going to be a cost reduction technique, but during the process, it is going to happen. So it is not at the earlier stages. So here we are going to have 7 steps. First 3 steps is called as blast. The next 2 steps are called as create, and the next 2 are called as refine. Blast, it is nothing but getting or obtaining the informations. Create is nothing but the generation of ideas. Refine, refining of the ideas or fine-tuning the ideas. So we'll see the steps in detail. So the first step is identify the product. So we have to select the product which has to be redesigned in the process. It's not at the design stage, at the process. That product that we have selected should not be obsolete. It means if that product is going to exist in the market for just 1 month, then going for a value analysis is a tiresome job. Again, after 1 month, we are going to do the same thing. So we should select the product such that it's not obsolete. Then this selection can be as an entire product or it may be a components or parts of the product. Then step 2, collect the relevant informations like what is the technical specifications of the product along with the drawings, what are the manufacturing processes that is going to be adopted, going for a time study and the capacity study. Capacity is nothing but the resources, so capacity study, cost data and marketing details, what is the latest development in that particular product. So that information has to be collected. Now define the primary, secondary and tertiary functions. It's not like defining actually, it is like identifying, because the product's function is been already defined. Now we are going to concentrate the procedure such that it doesn't deviate from the functions. Now specify the value content for each function which is having the best priority. Then identify the high cost areas where we are spending more to manufacture this particular product. Fourth step is creating the alternatives. Now I know where is my problem is, where is my high cost area is. Now it is the idea generation for increasing the value. So either I can increase the utility or decrease the cost. For that we are going for different alternative of ideas. So split them into feasible and non-feasible ideas. Again, get it as just a generation process. So go for brainstorming sessions to encourage new ideas. So By the way, we can get a lot of ideas from the workers. Again, each and every worker or stakeholder inside the industry plays a role in this value analysis process. But in the case of value engineering, it's only the design team. So step 5 is the critically evaluating the criteria. Now these ideas that has been collected or compared, evaluated and accessed, what are the financial and technical requirements for implementation is studied. Validity of the alternative and feasibility of application, everything has been accessed. So it looks almost similar to value engineering process. Now develop the best alternative. So now once you have decided this is what is the idea for reducing the cost, then you have to go for a development plan with the aid of sketches, models. Again, we have to discuss with the marketing team, finance team, production team, purchase team. So they will give the developmental plan. And finally, implement the alternative. So now I know the best idea now to reduce the cost. I have to check it. So I have to convert my idea into a prototype. It means I have to have a test run. Now record and analyze the performance of the test run or the prototype. Then go for cost analysis and functional analysis. Both are getting satisfied or not. Am I getting the net saving? Then go for the implementation of the new idea. So all this is done during the production process itself. So in this lecture, we have seen what are the steps in value analysis in an industrial engineering. Thank you.